In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent on Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. And of course, if you are a Windows 10 user and you'd like to upgrade it to Windows 11, you will have to go and download it through your settings. Of course, you can run the installation or to download it to the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC, you'll not even notice the difference. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any personal files or apps from your PC, so don't worry about this side. Everything will be on its place. The only thing that's going to change is Windows 10 into 11. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you'll have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. Maybe if you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like to go back into your Windows 10 because you like it much better. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will like it even more. So as we said in the beginning of the video, if we would like to make our taskbar transparent on our Windows 11. So of course we can just go. So if you want to do that, of course you will have to download an application on the Microsoft Store called Lively Wallpaper. So let's just go and open our Microsoft Store. And of course we will have just to download the Lively Wallpaper. Lively Wallpaper. Here is it. And now of course we should get it. And let's just wait until the download and I'm coming back to you. Of course, once it downloaded, you will have to go and open it up. And let's just wait until it opened. Of course, just close the Microsoft Store for now. We don't need it. Once you're here, of course, you'll have to click at the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, go to System. Of course, once you're here, make sure to go and make whatever you want with this taskbar. And of course, that will make your and of course make sure to select the clear, and that will make your taskbar transparent. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.